Hey guys, Jamie from AMVE 4x4 in Brisbane. Got another vehicle here to showcase today, a Chev 2500. Starting from the front, AMVE 4x4 manufactured aluminium Bullbar. It's got the centre loop. This guy's opted for a little bit lower in the centre hoop so he can put his two lights on there and still see his Chev badge. 6mm aluminium Bullbar main frame, 15,000 pound carbon winch on the front of this one, with the large recovery points, rated recovery points. All your sensors and all that get relocated into the bar. Got your steady lights on each side. Moving around to the side, we've gone with a 3-inch Fox BDS unit in the front with the upper control arms upgraded as well. We've got the methods on the front of this one with the Maxxis Razor tyre. The side of the truck's fairly standard, but we've got the Rhino Pioneer platform in this one with the backbone and a 200-watt solar panel up the top. Coming through to the back, got the drop-down lid on the toolbox on this one with the ARB brushless compressor in the front box and an outlet there for him to be able to link into on this. Got the fuel fillers locked in behind on this one. We've been able to make a door that secures them away out of sight. On the back of the truck, the same drop-down toolbox with the chain. These boxes are actually central locked on this one, so the customer opted for that in his build. We've got the replacement 240 litre tank on the underside with the 3-stage Boss airbags in the rear with an in-cab control, and also the Fox remote res shocks on the rear. So customer opted on this one for his own previous Evercool that he had in a previous build. He's got a large drawer in this one as well that's quite deep with the table as well, so this is suited for what he required. We've got the pie oven on this one on this side. It's all run through the Red Arc 100 amp system that he's got in this as well. He's got an Enderdrive inverter and he's got a 200 amp lithium in this one. Got a couple of power points at the rear. We've got the double GPO, Anderson plug and a couple of varied SIG sockets, USB outputs, etc. Again, Terralume, we only use Terralume strip lights. They're a great quality light. They've got dimmable function in there. You got the clear and the amber as well. So we run those on all our builds. Full protection on the rear of your locks, so you don't have to worry about things hitting it and jamming your door shut. Also got door alarms built in as well. So inside the cab, if the door's open, a buzzer comes on. Come around to the rear, we've got the drop side area. This guy's a plumber, so he's opted to go with an area where he's got storage for a lot of buckets and drums, etc. Got the LED maxi lamp taillights on this one with the blind spot relocation and the reverse sensor relocation on the rear as well. Allows everything all the factory options to work as they should. Got a manufactured roof rack up there. Again, these sort of things get done owner request. We design them on CAD, we draw them, we laser cut and fold and put them together as they go. Anderson plug up here for an additional outlet, and we got his 240 charging point on the rear of that box there. We've got water on the rear again, switch, tap. We've got the camera from the GMSV genuine system, and we've got some Anderson plugs and trailer plug on the rear there to go in. This one's got a 1200 drawer in it, so he's able to get that longer drawer based on the length of the tray and the water tank he went with. He's gone with a 100 litre under tray water tank as well. 95% of our water tanks are stainless, food grade, just so you don't get the poly taste in your mouth when you're storing water for a long period. Rear end, we got that drop down tailgate and drop side, so that these can easily be removed. They're not bolted in position. Allows the full access into the tray. Wrap the coated floor in the tray. This will also get a rubber mat put in, and his ladder racks also bolt in and bolt out, so it's full removable system. Moving around to this side, again, much of the same, just a drop down toolbox on the rear. Good access, good storage. Also central locking. And then on the front, these are quite a large box. They drop down, they follow the shape of the cab. They look really good once they're on. And on this side of the canopy, full open storage, just what he wanted. He wanted to be able to, when he goes away fishing and camping, just have good storage in there for excess chairs, swags, additional items. Got good height, and he's also got access into the battery area and the rear of the fridge if he needs to. full protection on the inlet for the electrical system. Again, door alarms and outlets going out to the front for roof rack, Anderson plugs, etc. Onto this side here, we've got the fold-up aerial, GME aerial. It's on a bracket mounted to the Rhino. Nice and easy, driver can reach it, flips up when he needs it, doesn't need it, flips down. Got that Starlink up on top, Starlink Mini, becoming a bit of a norm on all vehicles now. Inside, not much happening. Again, these trucks are built to have all the bells and whistles. This one here, we've just put a touchpad unit up on the top of the roof, just so he's got access to turn lights and Anderson plugs, etc. on. And that just sits up in the middle there. So guys, if anyone wants to get in touch with us, sales at amve4x4.com.au. Guys will be able to run you through what we do. You could also access our website. It's got a lot of good information on there for different builds we do, past builds we've done, plenty of photos. Or our socials, AMVE4x4 on both Instagram and Facebook. Get in touch, guys. We'll try and help you with your outcome that you need, and hopefully we can get you into one of these vehicles.